अगली लेक्चर बेटा
about the numericals based on hypermetric law. Numericals of hypermetric law. In this one, all of you aware about far point and near point. Near point is the minimum distance from which we can see any object clearly. It means, look beta, if I am saying near point is 50 centimeter. This is the first question. Second question, near point is 1 meter. Next question, a person can see beyond 1.2 meter. Okay, a person can see beyond 1.2 meter, but unable to see the object placed at 25 centimeter. Okay, this is the question. Now see all of these one. Near point is 50 centimeter. We have discussed beta. Near point is the minimum distance from which any object can be seen clearly. Look, this is your eye. This is the near point. Okay. When the object, and we assume this is 50 centimeter. Now, when the object is placed here, at no place, at any of these places beta, object is seen not seen clearly. But when this one is placed beyond 50 centimeter, it is seen clearly beta. You know, the minimum distance from which object can be seen clearly is called least distance or near point. For healthy eye, it is about 25 centimeter. But now, as this eye is defective, the person has myopia, so the person can see from 50 centimeter. So the image position is, so our first question is, why we need lens? We need lens for seeing the object beyond 50 centimeter or inside of 50 centimeter. The answer is, we need lens, we require lens for seeing the object within 50 centimeter. Because beyond 50 centimeter we can see better. Because 50 centimeter is the near point. So 50 centimeter is the near point, is the least distance, and within 50 centimeter, if the object is placed, image is not clear. So we need lens for seeing the object between 50 centimeter. So what is the object position? Now next question is, what is the objective position? You can say beta, sir, anywhere you can say place the object. Here, anywhere you can place, because we need lens for any object, na? But beta, here the actual near point for healthy eye is 25 centimeter, and it is the known value. We have only two known values. First 25 centimeter and the second infinite. So here we have to assume the object position as 25 centimeter. So object is placed at 25 centimeter, and we want this image, we want the image of this object placed at 25 centimeter at 50 centimeter. So u is equal to minus 25 centimeter and image is formed at minus 50 centimeter. Now next question. Near point is 1 meter. It means when the object is placed within 1 meter, it is not seen clearly, beta. But when this object is placed beyond 1 meter, it is seen clearly. So where is the object position? It is not known again. Here we have to assume object position is 25 centimeter. Now object is placed at 25 centimeter and we want to see the image at 1 meter. So u is equal to minus 25 centimeter and v is equal to minus 1 meter, means minus 100 centimeter. Now in this question, beta, a person can see beyond 1.2 meter very clearly. When the object is placed at 1.2 meter, beyond this distance he can see. But when the object is placed at 25 centimeter, this value is given, not seen. So u is equal to, so we want to see the image of this object at 1.2 meter, because from where it is clear, beta, na? 1.2 meter is the distance at which the object is placed. We can see the image. So we want to see the image at 1.2 meter, but object is placed at 25. So u is equal to minus 25 centimeter and v is equal to minus 1.2 meter. When you convert in meter, that is 120 centimeter. Now we solve focal length. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, beta. 1 upon v minus 50, 1 upon u minus 25, minus 1 upon 50, minus 1 is plus 1 upon 25. Take the LCM. 50 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 50. So f is equal to plus 50 centimeter. Plus indicates the lens is convex. Okay. Now power P equal to 1 upon f, beta. 1 upon plus 50. But again, you know, for calculating power, focus must be in meter. So here just convert into meter. 50 by 100 meter. So 1 upon 50 by 100, that is plus 100 by 50, and it is plus 2 diopter. What indicates plus? Plus indicates the lens is convex. Now in this question, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, 1 upon v minus 100, u minus 25, minus 1 upon 100, plus 1 upon 25, 100, minus 1 plus 4, plus 3 by 100. So focal length is equal to plus 100 by 3 centimeter. Convert into meter. For this we have to divide by 100. 1 upon 100. It is equal to plus 1 upon 3 meter. So power is equal to 1 upon f, that is 1 upon 1 by 3, that is 3 diopter. Now the next, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, 1 upon v minus 120, u minus 25, minus 1 upon 120, plus 1 upon 25. Take the LCM of 120 and 25. It is 5 and 24. Again take 5, 1, 24, 3, 8, 4, 2, 4, 2, 25, 75, 150, 300, 600. LCM is 600 beta. It is 5 and plus 4, 1, 24. Okay. So the result will be plus 19 by 600 centimeter 1 upon f. So f is equal to plus 600 upon 25 centimeter converted to meter plus 600, not here centimeter, 600 upon 25 into 1 by 100 meter, cancel out, plus 6 by 25 meter. Now power is equal to 1 upon f, 1 upon plus 6 by 25, that is plus 25 by 6 watt diameter, and this is the answer. I hope all you have understood the whole concept of hypermetropia and the numericals based on this in this topic. Thank you.